Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll implement a C-sharp function that checks whether a string is a palindrome. That is, it reads the same forward and backward. We'll cover a robust approach that gracefully handles null input, and will include a flexible option to ignore case and non-alphanumeric characters, which are useful for sentences like a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. I'll walk you through the code, explain the logic step by step, and show multiple examples. Let's get started. A palindrome check is often one of the first string manipulation exercises. We can implement it by reversing the string and comparing, or by using a two-pointer scan, which is more memory efficient. I'll present a tidy two-pointer implementation that optionally normalizes the string by removing non-lettered digits, and optionally ignores case, so you can pick the strict or forgiving behavior depending on the exercise. The code uses two indices, I from the start and j from the end. If ignore non-alphanumeric is true, you skip any character that is not a letter or digit on either side. If ignore case is true, you compare lowercase characters. This avoids building new strings or reversing, so memory usage is minimal. We can also early return false on the first mismatch. In main 1, included sample calls demonstrating strict and normalized checks, and a null save call. The two-point technique is elegant and efficient. For normalized palindrome checks, which are ignoring punctuation and spaces, skipping non-alphanumeric characters on the fly keeps the algorithm linear and lightweight. We do a single pass with constant extra memory. This approach is robust for short or very long strings. Here are some typical runs. Notice how ignore case flips the result for ABI depending on whether the case is normalized. The normalized example with punctuation demonstrates why the skipping option is useful for sentence level palindromes. The null example shows the function is defensive and will not crash. Palindrome checks are more than exercises. They appear in text processing tools, validation utilities, and coding interviews. The two-pointer method is a great pattern to learn because it generalizes the other tasks, like comparing mirrored structures or detecting palindromic subarrays. In short, we built a clear, efficient C-sharp palindrome checker. Use the flags to toggle case insensitivity and whether to ignore punctuation or spaces. Thank you for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C-sharp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.